Good afternoon. My name is Juan Jose Arias, and today I'm going to present to you my problem solution paper that it is about solar panels. As introduction, as we know, global warming is a very serious problem that is getting worse and worse every day. It is effect produced due to the sunlight because in the sunlight there are many types of rays, but the most important it is the infrared ray, and this infrared ray once it gets to the earth and it is reflected cannot get out of the earth because and due to the contaminants uh, that is present in the atmosphere, that generates this effect of global warming or the greenhouse effect. As a solution in this presentation, I propose to build up solar panels to fight this problematic. There are many problems and consequences that exist due to the global warming. The first is the melting of the glaciers. As we know, when the glaciers melt, the level of the seawater will be so in high, will get many meters, that it will be disappear some of the cities, some of the most important cities that exist, and many population will get affected, but not just in a social way, but in an economic way. Countries will be affected. Also, the end of the marine life, as we know, in these ecosystems, in the maritime ecosystems, it is generate more of the oxygen, like the 70% of the oxygen, and just will not be disappear the marine life, but also will be disappear part of the human population, and it is a very serious problem and a big consequence. And last but not least, the health implications. There will be a lot of health implications, not just for global warming, but because of the presence of the contaminants that will generate heart attacks, will generate strokes, cancer, lungs, and many of these related illness. So I propose, what can we do in these situations? With all these situations, for starters, I think that trees cannot be replaced in the all these processes, because trees give us oxygen, give us food, give us protections, and also prevent the floods, because it retains all these liquids in the floor, and that's why trees will never be replaced with any technology. Anyway, we have to propose some solutions, and these are algae, as you can see in the presentation. But I want to refer to algae like that there are many functional ways to use these plants, because nanotechnology have evolved to in a very extensive way, that we can use these algae that transfer the carbon dioxide in oxygen um, in a very good way. And my solution, that's why my solution is to make solar panels build up of algae. Why I propose this solution? First, because these panels absorb these infrared rays, and it transform it into energy. Also, it retains most of the one of the most important contaminants in the earth, which is carbon dioxide, and it transforms it into oxygen. And these are basically the most important solution consequence and of these solar panels. Solar, as we know, these algae can we use it as a fuel, so it won't be harm to the environment and will be create more good than bad things with this fuel. And as conclusions, we know that the solar panels are renewable energy, and that's why it's a really important and really good technology, and that scientists start to use this kind of technology. With this technology, air quality problems will be reduced but not disappear. Also, I remember that trees will never be replaced. Third, we will end with fossil fuels that are one of the biggest causes of the production of the contaminants. And, and for last, the importance of new technologies that protect the planet. Is evident with all this information that I give to you. Thanks. See you later.